One of my favorite places to go for food in Las Vegas is the Excalibur Food Court because of its variety and price point. It is definitely easy to splurge on food in Las Vegas. There are so many great buffets and specialty restaurants, but if you're looking for a food court, fast food style establishment, this one is a really great option. One of my favorite sandwich places to visit is Schlotzsky's, or at least that's how I think you say it. So anytime I'm at the Excalibur area, I always make sure to check out Schlotzsky's. It's in the food court, and this is why. It's a beautiful masterpiece. The sandwiches are filling, great tasting, the bread is always fresh, and in my opinion, it's a great value. There are a lot of options. Take a look around, and I'll be back later with my dessert. And now it's donut time. Never tried Krispy Kreme before, so I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, not bad. Very airy, yummy. Yeah, I liked it. I did enjoy the donuts, but I probably wouldn't get them again at $3 a piece. And besides, I'm a Cinnabon kind of girl. There are a couple other food options upstairs as well, including the Excalibur Buffet, which is actually one of my favorite buffets in Vegas, and an Italian restaurant, which is also very good. I haven't been in a while, but the last time I went, the portions were huge. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. This channel is all about my tips and reviews and tours of my travel experiences. I'm a planner and I like to know things before I go, so I figured you might too. So please like and subscribe if that is you.